Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with meteorologist Bill Alexander.
Hey, good evening, folks. It turned out to be a scorcher of a day today. We hit 91 degrees at Corpus Christi International. 73 your low this morning. It was warm. It was humid, but at least the sun came out this afternoon. We need some rain. Looks like we're going to get some. Not tonight. Already some thunderstorms beginning to develop out in the southern portion of the hill country. That's where you got that slight risk of severe going on for tonight. And tomorrow, all that works its way into our area, but not much going on tonight. Here's what we're seeing. Temperatures in the 80s and 90s across the Lone Star State. Only in the El Paso and Marfa area is it less than that. And by the way, along our immediate coastline with that sea breeze, notice the water temperature at 77 degrees. That's cooling the immediate coastline. You step into the interior at all and you're in the upper 80s and 90s. And when you combine that with the relative humidity, look at these dew points way up in the mid 70s. All of a sudden we're talking about heat index values in the upper 90s. Mathis right now feels like 98. 98 in Kingsville. Feels like 103 in Falfurrias. Yeah, it's hot out there, and here it is only early April. But tonight, as the last couple of nights, fog will begin rolling in with that east and southeasterly flow. Fully expected another dense fog advisory by about 10 p.m. as that visibility cranks on down to less than a half a mile in many locations. Here's the dynamic. Tomorrow, cold front comes into our area, fires off some big-time thunderstorms. There's enough buoyancy in the atmosphere to produce severe weather, enough convergence along that front itself to make that turn it into severe storms that include large hail and damaging wind for tomorrow night. Here's what it looks like by 6 p.m. Strong thunderstorms begin to develop, move across the area, and then a second wave of storms moves in the pre-dawn hours of your Friday morning, and those will be dropping the better part of an inch of rain. Now, this is tonight, just that slight risk of severe in the hill country, but by tomorrow night, now we're looking at an enhanced risk, especially in our northwestern counties. Again, hail greater than 1.25 inches in diameter, winds gusting over 65 miles an hour with any severe storms. The upper level dynamics is what's causing that, and that's this little element of instability coming across, and then the main upper low moving across Friday into Saturday. That will eventually shut off precipitation by early Sunday morning. But look what's happening after that. Some really cold air coming down out of Canada. This will be early next week. And notice the snow coming into the Texas Panhandle. Yeah, much below normal temperatures coming up in the Central Plains. Tonight, 71 and the fog. Tomorrow, about 87 with scattered storms. The big chance of severe weather tomorrow night on into early Friday. Katya?